Hey, this video is to give you an introduction to AutoCAD. So we've been working in Fusion so far. So let's double click on AutoCAD, and it's the 2023 version. It's going to take a few seconds to start up. When you're confronted with this, you're going to have a whole bunch of different objects. I'm personally going to be making or showing you how to do this one here, where you're working with just the basically line or polyline command, and you're going to be making your name. So you won't have this. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to click on new. When you click on new, you're going to be confronted with the templates, and a template is just having it set up for certain styles. And the one we're going to use is AutoCAD, and it's already selected, so we're going to open it. So you're going to be in a situation where you have these tabs on the bottom. So you've got Model, Layout 1, Layout 2. If you click on them, you can very quickly see that you've got white paper. So we want to be modeling in the Model tab. One thing before we start, just so that you can be setting up things, is go up to the upper left hand corner and type on the, or click on the AutoCAD, and then you're going to go into options, and you've got a bunch of tabs at the top, and the first thing that we're going to change is the user preferences. So when you go into user preferences, you want to customize your right click custom. So you want to change yours so that you want, whenever you right click, it's going to be the last command, and that it's going to act as enter. So in my case, I've already set that. And the last thing is 3-button mouse, 3D modeling. So I've clicked on the 3D modeling, and you're just going to make sure that these are checked. And I think that that is all you have to do. Okay, so once you click OK, or apply in your case, then you should be set up. So I'm just going to get into it so that we can do this. So your assignment is to take your last name, and so when I click on line, it's going to allow me to use the line tool, and these are going to be independent lines. So just for fun, we're going to do our last names. So my last name is Winters, so it kind of looks cartoon-like, and all I'm doing is clicking. And when I want to get out, I can hit escape on the keyboard, or I can hit right click. So now polyline is basically the same line. The difference is that the line segments are going to be joined together. But this is just a getting started. Now we changed our mouse command so that a right click will be enter. Now I don't have a tool selected, so if I do a right click, I should get last tool, and it's giving me the location of the first point. So I don't want that. So I'm going to hit escape, and I'm going to go back up to line, and that's probably the simpler way just to get this assignment done. You'll notice that when I get point close, it snaps. And so I keep forgetting to select my tool, so line tool. And we're just going to do as quick as possible, because AutoCAD can be painful to learn. Hit escape, grab your line tool, and you can sort of see that your name's kind of in a fun shape. Okay, so you can see it hovers. Hit escape, and we'll just finish off quickly. I forgot to select my tool, and I can make my E. So this would be kind of block letters. And it's almost, the quicker you do this, the more fun it's going to be. Escape, grab your tool, And the last letter, grab a tool. Might bring you back to your elementary days. Okay, so I'm finished. Now, what happens if you make an error and you want to delete something? So if you're working in AutoCAD and you do a drag from left to right, so if I click here, so that was a single left click on the mouse, and if I click here, it's only going to select the items that are encapsulated in the box. Whereas if I hit escape and I click from right to left and I just touch the T, it's supposed to select everything. I don't know why that does that. Let's try another one. No, didn't work. Anyways, if you want to delete, say you wanted to redo this, you can go to escape. You can go to the erase. You can click on all the different things. And once you hit enter, it should disappear. And then you can go back to your poly tool and select everything. Hit escape to get out of your tool command. So the way you're going to hand this in the case, if you're going to hand it in, is go to, if you're a Windows machine, you go to snip tool. And all you have to do is select what you want, and then you're going to save that, and you're going to hand it in. That way I don't have to have an AutoCAD file. Hopefully that makes sense. Anyways, good luck, have fun.